Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Everything around us, for example, book, pen, pencil, water, air, all living beings, etc., are composed of matter. Matter can exist in three physical states viz. Solid, liquid and gas. Particles are held very close to each other in solids in an orderly fashion and there is not much freedom of movement. In liquids, the particles are close to each other but they can move around. In gases, the particles are far apart as compared to those present in solid or liquid states and their movement is easy and fast. Solids have definite volume and definite shape. Liquids have definite volume but do not have definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are placed. Gases have neither definite volume nor definite shape. They completely occupy the space in the container in which they are placed. Matter can be classified as mixture or pure substance. When all constituent particles of a substance are same in chemical nature, it is said to be a pure substance. A mixture contains particles of two or more pure substances which may be present in it in any ratio. Hence, their composition is variable. Many of the substances present around you are mixtures. For example, sugar solution in water, air, tea, etc., are all mixtures. Mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. In a homogeneous mixture, the components completely mix with each other. This means particles of components of the mixture are uniformly distributed throughout the bulk of the mixture and its composition is uniform throughout. Sugar solution and air are the examples of homogeneous mixtures. In a heterogeneous mixture, the composition is not uniform throughout and sometimes different components are visible. For example, mixtures of salt and sugar, grains and pulses along with some dirt, often stone pieces, are heterogeneous mixtures. Pure substances have characteristics different from mixtures. Constituent particles of pure substances have fixed composition. Copper, silver, gold, water and glucose are some examples of pure substances. Glucose contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio and its particles are of same composition. Hence, like all other pure substances, glucose has a fixed composition. Also, its constituents carbon, hydrogen and oxygen cannot be separated by simple physical methods. Pure substances can further be classified into elements and compounds. Particles of an element consist of only one type of atoms. When two or more atoms of different elements combine together in a definite ratio, the molecule of a compound is obtained. Moreover, the constituents of a compound cannot be separated into simpler substances by physical methods. They can be separated by chemical methods. Examples of some compounds are water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, sugar, etc. Properties of a compound are different from those of its constituent elements. For example, hydrogen and oxygen are gases, whereas the compound formed by their combination, i.e., water, is a liquid. It is interesting to note that hydrogen burns with a pop sound and oxygen is a supporter of combustion. But water is used as a fire extinguisher.